I gotta show off my card. It's like the ones that I make. And see here? Ain't this cool? It's from Betty from Oregon. I really do appreciate it, and I'm gonna hang on to it and put it in my book that I got out there. Thank you so much. There's one red, one white, one red, one white on that. And then I got this one. I'm going to put it on top of it. Hopefully we can, we've been busy today going and paying bills. And that goes all the way in. Now, and I'm going to work on this quilt. Alright. Jonathan wants me to make some bags like this, but he wants one that's bigger. Some more that's bigger. So, I've already made this one. It's tied right here. All you gotta do is just pull it like that. So that's what I'm going to do. So I've already done got me a strip that's, I think it's an inch. Yep, it's an inch. So I'm going to use this inch to make the drawstring. And this right here, we're going to start cutting it out. I got 2, and I'm going to use the 2, and we're going to cut this out. So that it will be cut out. Okay, I think that's the end. Nope. There we go. Alright. Cut this off and that off and go that way. I'll hold this one for another one because he wants like a total of 70 done. So here we got this. Put that over yonder. Alright, put this back up. But that thing comes in handy. Alright, now what I'm using is a curtain. So, he said he needs one about as big as my elbow all the way down to my hand. So we're going to see how big that is. And that is 16 inches. So we're going to make it 17 inches. No, 17, 18, 19. We're going to make 20. Alright, crackies, we want it everboard if we could possibly do it. Everboard. So we're going to get this, and we're going to chop that down. That out of the way. Now, I cannot remember how big this is around, so we're going to find out right now. Here's this one, and we are going to wrap it around. That's one way to find out how big we need. There's probably a better way, but hey. Alright, we need 19 is how big it is round. So we're going to want 21 inches. Alright. So 21 inches. Get all this out of the way. Open this up. Alright. Make sure we got it flat here. Bring it down here. And line it up. That's what I get for not having no room. Alright. So 21 inches. And we want to divide that by 2, and that would be 10 and a half. So So we're going to go. There's 10, there's half. There's half.
Can I turn the fan off until I get my blocks cut out and
Yeah.
then I'll turn it back on?
Yeah. It's going to be hot in here. Alright. So, there's that. I can make some more out of this. Let's see what this is. Got 20, yeah, we got 20 inches right there, so that'll work. I can cut the tops, cut these off and make a couple more out of this one. Alright. Maybe y'all can hear me better now. Alright. So, now then, we have this. Now what I want to do here is, let's see, it's going to be that way, like that. What we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to sew. Let's take you over to the sewing machine. Let's do it that way. Okay. Alright, we're going to sew it down about 1/2 inch. Oh, nope. Go over about 1/2 inch and up about 1/2 inch. And we're going to back stitch it. Alright, now we're going to go down it. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down about 1 inch and I'm going to start it over. Make sure I am level. Right, now I want to go down a little bit so I can back stitch it. Alright, let's put that needle down. Chip this off, so make sure I got some room in here. It looks like it. Alright, so now I'm going to go down. Come on.
I didn't want to go down.
Like this. About 1/2 inch. All the way down. Back stitch. Alright, now I'm going to try to do this. I hope I can do it. We're going to try it.
Don't make it, Sandy.
I don't know. Okay, now I'm going to open this one up. Where is the opening at? Right there's my opening. Alright, so now I'm going to try my best to get this. Oh no. What happened here? No, don't do that. No. Cat, no. I'll put you in a crate somewhere. Alright, now I gotta be real careful. Quit! Quit it. It'll hurt my feet. Alright. Even if I just get parted away, I'm not going to worry too much about it. Just enough so that this... come on, cat, quit! Alright, back stitch. Make sure it stays down. I can handle that. We're going to leave it like that. Let's do the other side. Cat! Quit! Damn. Back stitch. And I want to make sure I go past that opening. Alright, back stitch. That's good for me. I can handle that. Alright. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this under and then turn it under again and make sure my opening here is beneath where it's opening here. There we go, I need to go down. And now I'm going to pin it all the way around so I can make a opening for it. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, I don't know if you can hear me over the fan, but we're going for it. We'll start right here. And I'm going to back stitch. And now I'm going to go for it. Pulling out my pins as I go. Alright, my next thing is I've got 2 of these, and now we're going to pin them down on this and sew these down. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, by any chance, if yours ended up like mine, I think I added wrong or something, but that's okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start up here and I'm going to end it down here, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So we can go straight down, hate it when I try that, don't work. Alright, now we want to come all the way down here. Alright, let's make sure I'm right. Yes. Alright, now I'm going to cut that off, because I don't need that much on there. Come on, this way. Alright, now, oh, I didn't get it all. Alright, now I got it down to there. Alright, now we're going to start sewing it all the way around it. Go back stitch. Alright, I'm going to put that tray back on here. It'll be easier on me. Alright. We're going to go all the way around with it. Go ahead and turn that off. You can't hear it over the fan. No, turn it off. You cannot hear it over the fan. If I gotta take a choice, I'm with that fan. It's too hot not to have the fan. Way too hot. Alright, I'm going to go over it, and then I'm going to go backwards on it. Alright, now we got the pouch part done. And turn it around. Oh, I don't have that thing. And see here, we got the pouch done. He ought to be able to put his big tools in there. Alright, now let's work on this. Not that, this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut me a little end off of there. That'll work. And I'm going to feed it through here so I can make a thing for it. We'll tie it. Must have brought it back out. Like that. I'll try to make this go flat. There we go. Alright. So now the first of it I have to take and do it like this and start it off on the sewing machine. Can't get me a little bit more. Oh, it's so hot. I'm about ready to quit going inside because this is just not. Oh, I hope this works. It did the last time. There it goes. Alright, I'm going to continue to do all this all the way down. It takes a few to do it. But all you have to do is decide how big you want this. And I think that'll work for what he wants. Alright, when I get this done, then we'll be back. Alright, I got this strip done. Now I'm going to take me a pin, put me a pin in it, and go all the way around with it. Alright, I have it open, and now I'm just going to come, ooh, I want to go further because I don't want to, there we go, tie a knot right here at the end. Make sure that you get where you got it sewed on this right here, and you pull it tight, and then cut it off. And that way, you have a thing to open and close it. Alright, I got some strings that I want to cut off. Too many of them. Alright, we'll see y'all later. I'm going to have to make 7 of them. Well, now I got 5 to make. How to donate to Poor Man Sewing. You mash on Poor Man Sewing. You go up here, you look for About. You mash on the Donate. It's people like you that help me continue on. And it was really appreciated. And there you go. A lot of hugs and kisses to you. Thank you very much.